Hey, what's up? Winklink coin. Winklink is completely on the trending and this time, and Winklink will moving upward very fastly and very good jumps now, my brother. But in last 24 hours they will fails down. Last 1 hour also they will fails down. Just in only, my brother, you can see here last 3 days they will give you a profit plus 2.63%, my friends. They will move in upward direction, and that's clear, my brothers, to Winklink as on the trending in crypto market this time also. So just in only, my friend, we will need to take a good decision and take a good profits now. But why? How, my friend? What we need to do? Sell, hold, or buy? That's all question, my brother. Holders are asking me, and I will answer you in this 2-minute video. So kindly you need to watch this video, and please, before you take any decision, please subscribe this channel and please press the bell icon for videos notification. So this time, my brother, Winklink price is on the increasing completely 0.00373 USD dollar as my friend highest price, and Winklink current price as 0.000355 USD dollar. So this time you can see here the chart is clearly show, my brothers, too. They will moving in upward direction, and definitely, my friend, as you can see here, they will the resistance line is come out here. So that's clear, my brothers. So they will never lost, my brother, because they cannot fails down from resistance line. And I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will pumps up and they will give a profit. So please, before they will pumps up, please you take a decision and buy it. And absolutely, if you buy it, so they will urgently moving in upward direction. Definitely, if a holder are starting investing, if a holders are starting holding, so they will move in upward direction. But if a holder are starting selling, so they will dumps down and they will lost now. So please remember, my brothers, to take any decision. Research personally. This is not a financial video. I just advise you, and I hope, my brother, you will enjoy this video. So please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos. Allah Hafiz. Take care.